Justin,
Augustin.
yeah, Justin Agustin, who you and I are both fans of. He's so sweet and so loving, and it's about do it at any stage, just do a little bit. And, he's a fan of yours now too. And he's even done the duets where he's like celebrating your accomplishments.
So I've been following Justin Augustin for a while, and I've loved his videos, and I've loved the fact that he's so all about helping people with mobility issues. And it was the first time that I actually felt like somebody was speaking directly to me. I think if it weren't for him, I don't think I would have still been as comfortable. Like, he's also probably saved my life because of his videos.
That's when, as a practitioner, you're in the gift of love. I think for me, what's so powerful is that you're an example in front of people.
Getting healthy or moving around like this, it's going to improve my pain. And that's what I'm going for. I am not going to be that, person on the beach in the bikini when this is all said and done. But you know what I will be able to do? I will be able to walk on that beach, and I will be able to walk and do more things than I was able to do when I first started.